All right, so the Pissed Off Barber, TPOB, sent us a package today, and I just wanted to quickly unbox it for you. So today he sent us the TPOB X Deluxe trimmer and clipper. I just wanted to quickly show you guys what they're about, what they look like, the unboxing experience, and just my overall thoughts about these machines. All right, so this is the clipper. It's got 210 minutes of runtime. It's an all metal body. It comes with the EXO graphene blade and 7,200 RPM brushless motor. It includes 8 premium guards. Because this is the deluxe version, it comes with the rubber grip for improved ergonomics. So I actually have the pink X here. And as you can see, this is just all metal. There's no rubber. Compared to the white version, you can see that it has the rubber grip. So I really love the unboxing experience on this. It has this magnetic kind of flip, and it comes with your pretty standard stuff. So it's got an instruction manual, which I've never actually read ever. It comes with a really nice clean charging dock. Most of the TPOB machines come with the charging dock nowadays. And then it comes with this box with all the extra accessories like your premium guards. I think this comes with a 0.5 all the way up to a 6. So that makes 8 guards total. Pretty standard stuff in here. You got the charging brick, and then you have the charging cord. And then, you got your oil, extra can follower, I think, screwdriver and brush. I love the guards that comes with it. I really, really like these premium guards. And then they come with this really nice foam packaging, which I am a huge fan of. And then when you open up the box, it's got the nice artwork and cartoon and stuff that, started the brand, started TPOB as the meme page that it once was. So here we have the clipper itself. It's wrapped up in plastic. Still has the tape on the switch, and it's got the blade cover right here. So this is the machine. This is a really nice looking and feeling machine. So this is the X, this is the XO, same exact green. Very beautiful clippers, dude. Really, really nice looking clippers for sure. Do you guys want me to do a comparison videos with these? I feel like I should. I think that would make a good video just to highlight the difference between the two, because there are some differences. They are in the same family. These guys are like brothers. One's a little bit bigger, maybe more powerful. It's all preference, end of the day. You can't go wrong with either one. But yeah, this is a really, really good machine. I really love the feel and ergonomics of this. So this comes with a 7,200 RPM constant torque motor. According to the website, it says the blade does not slow down when hitting resistance, and it has an all metal body, which I love. I love metal clippers. I don't mind the weight of a metal clipper. So one of the main differences between this and the regular X is the rubber. And I think some of them may have come with a hook way back then, maybe a year or two ago. Anything that's been produced recently no longer come with the hook in the bottom. So this has a 5 stretch lever. So by the way, some of you guys are kind of confused about,
oh, my clipper only has 4 clicks, whatever.
The first click is the main position. So this is fully closed, so that's 1 click. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 click lever. So this blade is fully adjustable. It's pretty gapped right out the box. I don't like zero gapping my clippers. Trimmers, 100%. I always zero gap my trimmers. Clipper wise, I don't think I would need to zero gap these. These look pretty good to me out of the box in terms of how gapped it is. So this is the 360 kind of skeleton design kind of clipper. I do love a skeleton design. Skeleton meaning, see this ridge right here and how the blade is super exposed. So the lithium-ion battery delivers 4 hours of continuous wireless runtime with a 90-minute charge. So that's really good. 4 hours of continuous runtime. Correct me if I'm wrong, that the new wall vapor that just came out only has like a 2.5 hour runtime, which, isn't very much. Especially for if you're a newer barber, you take a bit longer on your haircuts. I know some barbers will take anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours when they're first starting out. So having a clipper that can last longer than 2.5 hours is honestly a huge plus. So that was the X clipper. I really love the clipper. So I don't think they're selling this clipper at the Pissed Off Barber UK, but the US site is where you'll find this colorway. All right, so now let's take a look at this trimmer. All right, so here is the trimmer. So it's got a 240 minutes runtime, all metal body. It comes with a crazy graphene blade, 7,200 RPMs, brushless motor, and the deep graphene crazy blade with the R-angle cutting blade for precision and crunch. You can pause if you want to read all this stuff. But similar to the clipper, it comes with this nice little magnetic flap, just opens up and you're presented with the machine. And again, you got all the nice cartoons there. And then again, pretty standard, you got your instruction manual, you got your really nice green charging dock, huge fan, same foam padding here, protect your machine and transport. And in this box just comes with the extra little accessories like the charging brick, the charging cord. It's got your brush, oil, extra cam follower, and the screwdriver, pretty standard stuff. And then here we're presented with the machine itself. So here is this beautiful TPOB X Deluxe green trimmer. Man, I love the shape of this trimmer. So I use my XO more. I kind of just switch back and forth, but I have always liked this shape better than the XO because this is a little bit smaller and slimmer than this one is. You can kind of see the size difference here where, you know, the XO is longer and the X is shorter. But guys, longer isn't always better, okay? It's all about performance. So yeah, this just feels a little bit slimmer in the hand to hold, a little more comfortable. I do like the Psycho blade better than the Crazy blade. Not that this is a bad blade at all. I just think that for lines, the Psycho blade can get really, really sharp. Not that the Crazy blade can't, I just prefer the Psycho blade. So with this design, it's the same skeleton style design, which I'm a huge fan of. Specifically for trimmers, it really makes it easier to be more precise when you're doing lineups. And like I said, it comes with 4 hours continuous wireless runtime, 90-minute charge. I find that the Crazy blade is better for debulking, or if you're lining up somebody with bangs or kind of like that Edgar kind of cut, just because it does have deeper teeth. But yeah, there's not much to say. This is a beautiful, beautiful machine. Thank you, TPOB, for sending it out. I think that these look really, really good together. You really can't go wrong with this set. If you wanted to buy just the machine itself, the trimmer is selling for $124.95 on tpobusa.com, and the clipper is selling for $134.95 USD. I do have a discount code for you. If you use the code NOIR, you'll save 15% off your purchase, and I'll get a little bit of commission from it, which is a huge help to my channel. So I just wanted to quickly highlight these machines. Thank you again for TPOB for sending these out. You can't go wrong with using TPOB. I've been exclusively using TPOB machines over the last year, dude, and like, they're the real deal. If you have any doubts, I'm telling you, take the risk. Go get the X Deluxe, the XO, or the Play. The Play is probably the best clipper of 2024. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.